Hello. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to improve gut health after taking antibiotics. Antibiotics are essential for treating infections, but they can also have a negative impact on our gut health. The good news is that there are natural remedies and practices that can help restore and maintain a healthy gut. So let's dive right in. Probiotics. One of the best ways to support gut health after antibiotics is by taking probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore the balance of our gut microbiome. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Prebiotic-rich foods. In addition to probiotics, the prebiotics are essential for a healthy gut. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the good bacteria in our gut. Foods like onions, garlic, bananas, and asparagus are rich in prebiotics. Bone broth. Bone broth is another excellent remedy for gut health. It contains essential nutrients that can help repair the lining of the gut and reduce inflammation. You can make your own bone broth using bones from chicken, beef, or fish. Avoiding sugary and processed foods. While on the road to gut health recovery, it's essential to avoid sugary and processed foods. These can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome and hinder the healing process. Stress management. Believe it or not, stress can also affect our gut health. Practicing stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can positively affect your gut health. Conclusion. There you have it. Effective ways to improve gut health after taking antibiotics. Remember, our gut health plays a significant role in our overall well-being. So, it's crucial to take care of it, especially after a course of antibiotics. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies and health tips. Thanks for watching.